In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to augmented reality, AR, apps and show you how to get started using them on your smartphone or tablet. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality, AR, overlays digital objects or information on the real world through your device's camera. Common uses include games, navigation, and interactive educational apps. Find and download AR apps. Open your device's App Store, Google Play or App Store, and search for AR apps. Popular AR apps include Google Lens, IKEA Place, and Pokemon Go. Download one or more to get started. Set up AR permissions. When launching an AR app for the first time, it may request access to your camera, location, and motion sensors. Make sure to grant these permissions to enable full AR functionality. Explore the app's AR features. Open the AR app and point your camera at a flat surface or environment, as the app may require you to scan the area. Follow the app's prompts to begin interacting with virtual objects or information. Customize AR experiences, if available. Some apps allow you to place virtual furniture, e.g., IKEA Place, visualize 3D objects, e.g., Google AR Animals, or interact with the environment, e.g., Pokemon Go. Customize the AR objects or settings based on the app's features. Use AR for navigation, optional. AR can also be used for navigation. Apps like Google Maps AR allow you to navigate in real time with AR directions overlaid on your surroundings through your camera view. Use AR for educational purposes. Educational apps like Skyview allow you to explore the night sky, and Anatomy 4D lets you study the human body in 3D. These are great tools for learning through AR. Try AR games. AR games are some of the most popular uses for augmented reality. Try out games like Pokemon Go or AR Dragon for an interactive gaming experience in your real-world environment. That's how you can get started with augmented reality apps on your device. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.